TJ announced that he was getting married, we started to see an immediate positive change in TJ. It was visible. It was radiating.
When Miren was young, Mum would always know that she would have had chocolate cake and custard at school because she had a smile stretched across her face from cheek to cheek. 20 odd years later, that same face appeared when she met TJ, and it stayed there ever since. TJ, I could not have asked for a better brother-in-law and a husband for me.
She's going to be missed.
You're right in front of me with the answer, with the answer.
But seeing her get married today just absolutely choked me.